Hi guys, good morning. My name is Zairi Ghazali, and today I'll be presenting my Capstone project called LokalJOB. LokalJOB is a freelancer marketplace designed to help local freelancers connect with clients in a safer and more transparent way. So the inspiration of this project is based on my own experience and also my friends' experience as a freelancer. I have many friends who are very skilled, but they are unable to work full time because of certain commitments, like being a stay-at-home parent or taking care of elderly family members. Because of this, they are rely on flexible, home-based work that they can do from home. The problem for most of freelancers is struggle to find a genuine clients. Their work and ideas are often not valued or taken without compensation. At the same time, small businesses find it hard to connect with local freelancers. So for the solution is I use LokalJOB as a freelancer hub that connect freelancer with a real and verified clients. It focuses on fairness, transparency, and simple hiring without expensive
Just a
promotion.
second, Zairi. I believe
And
there's a
for the target
technical issue.
audience,
Just a second. Uh, okay, you can backtrack for maybe a couple of seconds. Yeah, okay. Then go ahead.
so for the solution is I use LokalJOB as a freelancer hub that connect freelancer with a real and verified clients. It focuses on fairness, transparency, and simple hiring without expensive promotion. And for the target audience, it's for freelancers looking for real local job opportunities and for small businesses that want reliable talent without unnecessary complexity. For the front end, I'm using React for the interactive UI. JavaScript is my main language. Bootstrap for layout and component, and a little bit of CSS for styling. On the back end, I use Neon to store data like user, job, and transaction. For authentication, I rely on Firebase authentication to handle user registration, email verification, and password reset. I also use Firebase storage to store uploaded image for the chat function. Before this, I used Socket.io, but I switched to Firebase real-time database because Socket.io didn't work well with Visual Server. Now all the messages are stored in the Firebase, and it also supports features like online status, typing indicator, and notification when a user get new messages. For API endpoint, I started with Replit, but later moved to VS Code to run the server locally. This made testing much easier without worrying about Replit limits. I'm also using Stripe as an external API for payment gateway, and finally for deployment, the project is hosted on Vessel.
Um, are you?
So when you scan the QR code or click the link, it will take you directly to my landing page. This is a simple home page with a looping image carousel, a hero section, a search bar, and freelancer cards. Even without logging in, users can search for freelancers and browse the jobs page. They can try to apply for a job, but it will show an error. So now, let me log into my account. I'll update my profile by changing my profile picture and bio. Next is the messages page. It works like a typical messaging system, and you can try it yourself. Let's move on to the jobs page. This is where users can post a job, so I'll post a test job. I limit on-site jobs to local only. If a user enters a location outside Malaysia, like Singapore, it will show an error.
Yes, please ask. Wow.
The same goes for payment users need to enter a valid amount. After posting a job, the owner can edit or delete the post and also view applicants. For this example, Miss Safa applied for the job. I can chat with her or hire her directly. Once someone applies, their freelancer card will appear on the profile page for the next step, which is payment. As you can see, some payments are successful. And I believe this incomplete transaction is from Ms. Safa. So Ms. Safa, please complete the payment. Back on the homepage, users can also view freelancer profiles and start a chat to discuss details.
That's impressive.
Finally, this is my Firebase setup and my Neon database. This messages table was previously built using socket.io before I switched fully to Firebase. That's all for the demo. Thank you.
So for feedback, Ms. Safa tested the platform and gave really useful feedback that helped me spot the issue that I missed. Also, my classmate and friend tried register and using the platform, which helped me check how the database and feature were working. So personal growth. This project made me to think beyond just coding. Like I had to consider user trust, product value, and real world problems. So for conclusion, LokalJOB is all about helping freelancers find real clients, protect their work, and get fair visibility. I built this platform that's simple, trustworthy, and easy to use for both freelancer and local businesses. I would like to thank to Ms. Safa for guiding and feedback through the projects, and all my classmates and friends who test, register, and share honest opinion that help improve the projects. Actually, I learned a lot from YouTube tutorial, especially how to set up a Stripe, and also I copy a lot code from GitHub. Tool I use like Cloud was super helpful to clean up messy code, and of course ChatGPT. So that's all. Thank you for listening.